Welcome to Lily's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making this beautiful souvenir purse for men, and at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you how many of this purse you can cut out from a yard of leather material using the same measurement. So do well to watch to the very end, like, comment and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. So we need a leather material, we need zip cloth with 2 zip head, you can use one if you like, and a bag strap. So that's what we need. The measurements for leather material, for the length we'll be needing 16 inches, and for the breadth we need 13 inches. So what we'll be doing now is that we'll be sewing a zipper to the material. You place it this way, the right side facing each other, and you stitch. When you're done stitching, you fold it this way and top stitch. So now we'll be sewing the other part to the zipper cloth. You place it like this and stitch. When you're done, you open it this way, like this, and you top stitch also. So now we cut out the excess zipper cloth. What we'll be doing next is that we get the middle of our material like this, and we notch, and you do the same thing for the other side also. You notch it. So now we make sure the zipper cloth is on the notched area, stitch it, and you repeat the same thing for the other side. So when you're done doing that, what we'll be doing next is that we're going to be marking out 2 by 2 inches on the edges of our material, like this. So now we cut out all the marked area. So what we'll be doing next is that we are going to be sewing our back strap to cover the rough edges like this. So we stitch and repeat the same thing on this side. We stitch it up. So now we notch the 4 edges. Make sure you click the subscribe button on your screen so as to get more videos from this channel, and also to encourage me to post more videos and allow others to have access to this video. So now what we'll be doing is that we'll be cutting out the handle. We're also using our back strap, and we need 8 inches for the handle. You can make it longer if you want. When you finish cutting it out, you place it like this, put it inside, and you place it on the notched area of your bag. You stitch it. So you do the same thing for the other side. You place the strap on the notched area like this, and you stitch it up. So when you're done doing that, you fold it this way. Make sure it's on the notched area like this, and you stitch it. So I have other video for female souvenir purse, and you see the link right there on your screen, so you can check it out. So that's how you stitch everything round like this. So this is it. When you're done stitching, what we'll be doing next is that we use the back strap to cover the rough edges around. This will make it look neat. So you do it round. So our purse is ready, looking neat. So now we turn it to the right side. Wow, looking so pretty. Very beautiful and neat. So if you're using this measurement 16 by 13 inches, you'll be getting 4 of this purse from half yard of leather material and 8 pieces of this purse from a yard of leather material. I hope this information is very useful to you. Do wait to like, leave a lovely comment, and most importantly subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.